Alright, so what we're about to do now is go take the tires and the rims. What?
Nothing.
Go take the tires and the rims to my boy Trent's house with Darren and have them. I don't know if I'm going to mount them today. I might mount them. I might not mount them. I honestly don't know. But once I see what happens when we're there, then we'll go and find out exactly. So we just got here. Me and Darren brought the things up here. And this is right there, as you can see. Trent, my friend, is one of my good buddies from a while ago. Trent was one of the first people I actually met when I first got into the car scene. So he always helps me out. We're gonna be mounting the tires onto the new rims. I still have, Trent, I haven't decided whether or not I should put them on today. Huh? It is warming back up? Yeah. I might as well do it right now and get it over with. Yeah, so I guess we'll just go ahead and put them on today, but I don't know yet. We'll find out exactly. We'll go from there. Does it stretch on to the...
Reverse mount.
We have to reverse mount it. I have no clue what this stuff is. But he's the expert. Gotta put the tire on upside down. He just cleared it up. Okay. Yo, this man wants me to pull this thing.
The look of fear. What's this?
Shuriken out that thing. Just put my foot. I got you. Which one?
Just slightly.
Slightly.
Yeah.
Down.
Yeah.
Oh hell no. Fuck that shit. So we put on the front two. The front two are gonna be 20 by 8.5 on 245 40 20s. The back is a 295 30. Is it 35? Yeah, 35 20. So Trent was actually having a hard time, and you know, I had to finagle. Like, no, I'm joking. I didn't do shit. I didn't do nothing. But you know, Trent got it done, y'all.
You know, y'all rich niggas. You know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though.
Idiot. Slow-mo ain't got no tires.
Alright, so we're taking off the old tires now and putting on my new ones. These old tires, whoever said that plastic dip is for racers was a lie. Plastic dip saved my tires so many times. If you actually take a look and see like small little bits of it, it's probably not on this tire as much as the other ones, but you'll see that it actually stopped it from getting chipped, and the plastic got chipped instead. Right now we have spacers on. I want to see what it will look like with a 1 inch. And then we can go from there.
Too wide.
Too wide? Let me see. Jesus Christ.
Oh my lord.
Yeah, that's too wide.
Get your big ass head out the way.
This is why I should have lowered the car. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and take off the spacer. So as you saw, I actually loaded the car about an inch. As you saw in the previous video. So on my drag setup, it was 295s. It was fine. The offset was huge too. So it was fine because it was on stock height. But now since it's been lowered, if I hit a bump or anything, there goes my fender. So I'm not about to risk it. We're just gonna take off the wheel spacers. You think the front would look good?
Do you have camera on the front?
I don't have any camera. It's gonna run? We'll take it off. So we're taking off the front too, just to be safe. Fuck it. We'll just go safe, take off every part of it, and we'll go from there.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless.
So anyways, put the tires on, okay? So I don't know if it probably won't focus on the tires right now, but 295s in the back, 245s in the front, 20 by 10s in the back, and 20 by 8.5 in the in the front. I love them. I love how they look. I just gotta clean the car. That's all. And we go from. What does it take to get some good help around here these days?
I wanna die too young, yeah, too young, yeah, too young. I don't wanna die too